What's up, guys? Just want to give you a quick update of my new workspace. Still working on it. This is a camera slider with Holyland wireless transmitter, a workbench on casters. I'm testing a bunch of large battery banks. My iPod Hi-Fi speaker. This one was released in 2006, I believe, and I've done a pretty cool mod to its battery power supply. I can talk about this one later. And most importantly, I installed the pegboards from Wall Control. And this thing is awesome. It's full metal construction made in USA. I'm still trying to keep my tools and miscellaneous item chargers organized. This is a Gobi LED lights. I have lots of cables going on here. I bought a huge power strip. Hopefully I will do the cable management later. And also Wall Control sent me this awesome mug with their logos. Right. Over here I have the desk frame. The electric standing desk frame. I just assembled yesterday. It's one motor, single motor. Seems really solid. I'm gonna attach my custom tabletop to it. And over here, I have my gaming consoles, Xbox Series S, PlayStation 5. Haven't really got a chance to play on these consoles lately. That's an unreleased product. Okay. Maybe I will make a video just dedicated to the chargers organization later. I'm still experimenting different positions, and it's not fully done yet. And of course, I'm gonna add more lighting on the ceiling or on the top, I don't know, to make this a bit more interesting. Currently, it is lit by this flashlight from Hoverfright. It's magnetic, so it sticks here on the backboard. Another work light, just to illuminate this place. I have a DeWalt flashlight with a diffuser. And battery, so it runs a long time. Scissors, Leatherman, Wave. They have this really smart slot design, and these pegs would stay put and not move around much. This is really clever. All kinds of hooks, hammer. That's a 6-port Anchor charger. I just keep these camera batteries charged there. And my favorite impact driver from DeWalt and a drill. Cable management is crucial. Okay. That review is coming soon. The Jackery E1500, a massive power bank. Sometimes I would enable this light to give this a more interesting ambient light. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like and subscribe. Send me a message, leave a comment down below. Thank you. And impact driver.